It's probably the most predominant hole that we've come across. We're gonna put the door there. Today we're going to be doing some enclosement work on an extension where the rats are getting in. We've got some old school way of blocking the rats out, and we're going to show you how we do this. Okay, so here we've got an extension with the original house. As you can see, the extension has been built to the ground with nothing to stop. And if you look over there, right there, you can see where the rats are coming in. So as you can see, they've put stones in here to try and stop the rats back in the day, but it doesn't work so well as time's progressed. So let's dig this out. So you can see we got it all sealed up. We're gonna put the deck back together.